The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. He can give you the world, but he'll never love you the way. Come on, man. Come on. Ladies, man. Come on. He can take you out to any place you want. To fancy club restaurants. But I can only stand by what you eat. My nose pressed up against the wind.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Me there here again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video that is circulating on social media, and it is said that the video shows a police officer who had been shot and killed on the 2nd of July the year 2021 within the parish that is known as St. Andrew, that is within the country known as Jamaica. Now, if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, want more information about that incident, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, and when you click that link will take you to a previous video that I did about that incident. Alright? Now, I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and the next video I'm going to present to you. The video had been posted on social media along with other videos and a picture that contains words somewhat explaining what the whole situation was about. And according to some things that I read in that picture that contains sentences explaining what the whole situation was about, I got the understanding that the situation was about adults traveling in a motor vehicle carrying a child to a hospital, but the motor vehicle had been stopped by police within the country of Jamaica and the motor vehicle had been seized. Now, some of the words in that picture formed a sentence that goes like this. Now he had us held there with the sick baby, and all we pleaded for some assistance to get to the hospital, he refused to carry us. Another part says his focus was more on getting a wrecker. Assume that was for seizing the motor vehicle. So one of the main things being said about this video on social media is that why would the police be more focused on seizing the motor vehicle that the child and adults was traveling in than to help the adults and the child to get to a hospital in a situation that is considered to be an emergency? Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the whole situation or the video. Alright, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Just admit! I'm expecting you to think you're the fucking man! Say them there! You come come here so king of your salam.
Henry, call
Don't call the body!
You supposed to take care and job us go down at children's then, sir. We're not taking no taxi go down at children's.
Henry, call control from the red and tell the son of Rico come the red.
Viewers and subscribers, if the explanation that had been made on social media is true about that video, then in my point of view, I think that the police should have at least see to it that the child had been taken to the hospital as soon as possible. You see me? Look, law is law, and I would never go against the law. And if the motor vehicle have to be seized, I understand. But think about the child, alright? And that is if the explanation that had been made on social media about that video is true. Alright? The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is about a situation that I call a relationship gone bad. According to some things that have been said on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that this video is about a man who had been accused of leaving a female who he is or was in a relationship with at a certain time at his home to be with another female. And as a result of that, the female who he is or was in a relationship with at a certain time decided to bring another man in their home. Viewers and subscribers, I'm wondering if this video actually is about a real situation, because this is like some real mix-up and blend that thing, as how some Jamaicans might call it. You see it? Anyways, let me know what you think about this video, viewers and subscribers, or the situation. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Good to see you as his friend. Go. Go, 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 go. What are you gonna do? Call Daniel? What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna call Daniel.
What are you gonna do? I'm here. What are you gonna do?
No,
What you going to do?
You don't have to know what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
Greg, when you're ready, let's take and go, eh? Right?
Hold on. What are you gonna do?
I don't want to do anything. I don't have anything to do.
Didn't you have a woman? Didn't you move out with a woman? Didn't you say, let's accept it? I have a woman. Yes or no?
Yeah, but you had to get out of my house.
This is not your house,
Take
darling.
your man and go.
This is my man and go?
Yeah.
You are a woman and you take your woman and gone?
My woman come in my
Well,
house.
I dare you. I dare you.
In 3 months' time, Miss Rafida,
And that's your friend, right? That
in
is your
3
friend.
months' time, you have notice. Please leave.
Notice yourself.
Right, Gregory?
You can leave. 3 months time.
Gregory,
can
you with
notice and
Alisa,
leave.
right? You're a big man. You're stable. You have your own house. Carry the woman. This is your woman. Okay?
That's your friend, right?
We are always
Did you
in
not
friend.
take him in?
Tomorrow.
Did you not take him in?
Gregory,
No, right or
tomorrow I
wrong?
ride in with you, same friend. I have no problem. I
Why
happy.
waste your time with
I
you?
happy you have do me a favor and take this Gasparilla with you.
This is a waste of time. Don't even waste your time with me. Everybody have a problem with you, you know
Right,
why?
today
You
is
find a woman
16/6,
and you move out. What is your
2018.
problem?
I came home.
You
and
are
I
sounding
fought
like a
car with
jealous
someone.
ex-husband.
I'm
That's
not your
what you-
husband. I never
But
was your husband.
I don't even want you as a husband. You could leave.
You can't put me on my
Well,
house.
you can't put me out either. What's your problem?
I'm not putting you
What
on.
is your problem?
Look how
What
she
is
up
your
in my
problem?
face. Look at
I
that.
don't care.
You can't be up in my face.
You can't be up in my face either. You don't live
dirty
here.
face.
Do you live here?
This is my house. I live
Do
here.
you live here? When last
My
you live
address
here?
is 64.
When last you sleep here?
December.
Gregory,
I sleep every night here.
you ready to go? Okay, let's go. Don't bother with he full of shit.
Greg,
you know
I
why?
put
You
this
find
up,
women. You can put it up wherever you want. You know why? Because everybody know exactly what you did, Marlon. You little lowlife. What you gonna put up? What you gonna put up?
18.
What are you going to put up?
Have 3 months to vacate this property.
You excuse me, I dare you. I dare you.
She has
Because
moved
everybody
on.
know you found a woman and you left and you told me accept it. I accepted. You know why? Because you end up with a criminal. That is why you can't stand it. You understand? You could go your way.
As I said, she has 3 months to
I
vacate from
dare
this
you,
thing.
Marlon.
Greg, you'll do me a favor and instill that upon her, please. Thank you.
My people, in my point of view, that is a hostile situation right there. And I'm not going to pinpoint and say she wrong or him wrong or who wrong. No. I think that is a hostile situation because one person has said some things that gave me to understand that the person is saying that she must leave or so forth. You see me? And one person decides that they not leave. That's a hostile situation to me. See me? So here what's the best advice we can give to each and every single person involved in a situation like that. Walk away. Walk away. I have heard about situations like exactly that cost person's life. You see me? So walk away. You can tell me if I'm wrong or right, you know. But in my point of view, that is a hostile situation. So walk away, yeah? That's all I can say. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show a person down in something that some persons might call a manual. See? And the person was down in the manual, chiseling away some tough things that are said to be concrete or mortar. See? Now the reason why I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because this video shows a man hard at work, and really and truly I respect this person for doing a job like that, because a lot of persons out there in the world would never do a job like that the man can be seen doing in the video. So that's one of the reasons why I present this video to you. I'm going to say big up to that person there, shown in the video, doing such a work. Alright? People, tell me what you think about this video. Tell me if you would do a job like this. You see me? Because I'm not real. If me have to, me would do it. So big him up. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
And if they are cuss me now. And look what I'm doing there, the chip blood clot concrete.
You know, long yarn of the chap dog.
Yo.
Sometimes I do something, but of course I will see them and realize, I say, you know, the chap dog make more work for me. I'm more there.
I don't mean I don't do that one.
Alright, so dear avid viewers and subscribers, you don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there to keep you up to date and posted, let you know what's going on. You know, you can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla, you know. I want to big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla!
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.